Hello, hello, hello. What's up, everyone? So, today I left office very early. Uh, Reason is nothing. These flowers are making very slippery. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? How are you all? What are you guys doing? I'm good. So today, actually, I left the office early because there's no reason. I have to head back to home, and again I have to log in at home. Now, actually, came to office to have usually I come to office often, like weekly twice or thrice. It depends. One second. So, so whenever if there is any new requirement, so I come to office. We can do it over the call or on Teams, online, or anything. But sometimes what happens is the communication gap, and we won't be able to capture the requirement properly. That's why I prefer in-person meetings rather than on the call. Yeah, that way I won't miss out or miss out any requirements, or there won't be any communication gap, stuff like that. Yeah, that is the whole idea. And today, now, by the way, I probably you guys must be wondering, like, I don't know, like, must be wondering, like, how come I'm leaving soon. I don't know, probably like, yeah, you guys won't know the timings and all, but still I'm leaving early. As in, it's not early, it's right now it's 4:30. Usually I leave by 6 in the evening. That's my logout time, by the way, like 6:30. But today I left early because I spoke to the concerned person, like, and regarding the new requirement discussions are yet to happen, like that has been postponed. So I thought, like, so just go head back home, then log in and work from home. Yeah, so yes, by the way, this is RMV second stage right now, where let me just check whether the GoPro is recording or not. Yeah, it's recording. Yes. Wow, this whenever I come via this route, right, this area feels so peaceful. Looking at the trees, especially this lane is full of trees. Yeah, imagine now it's summer. The trees are so beautiful. Look, imagine if it's a raining season, how it would be like. It will be like Coorg or something. Yeah, it looks so cool. By the way, I think we have oh, Tarman. So whenever I see Tar, this line comes to my mind. It's called. It goes like, Tar is my dream car, or my dream car is Tar, something like that. I don't know that. It's my favorite car. It's 4x4 and both off-road, on-road. It suits for both purpose. I don't know, in particular this junction, there are like 3 or 4 tea shops. You can see like that too, like next to each other. This is just behind the Ramaya College and Hospital, where you get to see, like, that's not what I meant. Yeah, you get to see. Yeah, remaining fill in the blanks. Rest you will understand. You know what I meant, where I'm coming from. Yeah. Well, go man. Why people making jam? I really don't understand. I mean the traffic jam. Yeah. I know there are 2 jams. I mean the traffic jam. I think most people own Thar car vehicles these days. crazy driving by the ambulance driver. Yeah, I remember once I even I also drove the car because it was an emergency. One of my wife family members, she was like emergency. We had to take her to the same Ramaya hospital. Yeah, I had to drive. Literally, like I was feeling like it was like I'm driving an ambulance. It's like that. Chai, chai, chai. Tea, coffee, chai. One more tar. National Geo Wild. Polo I-20. These are hatchback vehicles. So I like in hatchback category. Oh, Mini Cooper. In hatchback category, I like the Polo, as in the idiot, the which is at Polo. I like. Back then, Zen, Maruti Zen. Later, like Polo, hatchback, Swift. Now the Swift, the new Swift is good with a new body kit. That is good, and design-wise. And which is the other hatchbacks cars. Bolino, I'm not a Bolino fan. Definitely I'm a Polo fan. Polo GT. Yeah. Now the Franks design is also even good. I like that one. Design wise, and what else? Hatchbacks, there are very less car, I think. Yeah, the Altros. Yeah, that's, by the way, mine is an Altros car. Yeah, guys, yeah, one day I'll review that as well. One day, definitely I'll do. Guys, let me know, like, if you want me to review the Altros vehicle, the owner experience as well as the overall vehicle. Yeah, I'll do video about that. And coming to Zedons, Zedons are like so many. There are like City, Honda City, Baleno, Maruti Baleno, then which one? Civic, Honda Civic. There are so many. Later, like Honda City, IV Tech. idiots, man. They left the signal and this guy still, I don't know what is he doing. That's it. You can't go now. I think something happened. The car stopped in middle of the junction actually, which is at Chevrolet. Oh, what is the use? Is going on the one-way route. Next, like another tar. So have you guys seen the new Thar rocks? uh, that's like, I don't know. I like the car, but I never uh, went and I saw the car or anything. Like, I've seen it on the on the internet mostly. Personally, I didn't in person. I didn't see it. Uh, yeah, build quality and all. Like, it's is as usual, no doubt. The fuel efficiency in terms of the feel, power, all that, I think you should experience. Unless you won't drive or do test drive, we will not come to know. Yeah. Even though the road is free, what's problem with these people? I really don't know. At least can't they unnecessarily people will go fast. When necessary, people will go slow. Seriously. So this one stretch road, it goes to Vijayanagar, where my old I would say it's not an old house there, but it's an old my usual, I would say, my usual adda, not like adda, it's like usual place where we go for evening snacks, where we go to eat, things like that. This is the Naurang Junction, where my friend, he owns a tattoo shop. So few my tattoos I got it inked from my friend, this friend. this road is, they made it in a way so uh, so good, in a way like before to reach Vijayanagar or to go to any the towards fourth block, or to go to Basveshanagar or these areas, you have to cross 1, 2, 3 to 4 signals because they made this flyover, so you can avoid all those signals. You don't have to, you won't get those signals. Basically, yeah, it goes to Magdi Road, Vijayanagar, and things like that. No, on the internet I see this girl called Kippi Kirti. Papa, she is, I think, little physically challenged, and people are trolling, and those few, I would call it like child people only. So they're like using that girl, as in using her on the internet. Yesterday, just randomly, I saw there was one reel. Those girls, I don't know. These two, there is one girl, and I don't even know their names. Also, there is a boy and a girl. Like, they're making a video and having around this girl in the background, where she just put hands on that girl's shoulder. That girl, another girl, she's like, she just go off. I felt really, what the fuck. So if you guys don't want to be with them, or if you have that much like, so you people feel so special about it, then why do you people using those kind of people, right, Papa? They know how to survive. They don't need you guys. So you people are using that girl to make one video. First of all, you using that girl, and you're like, avoiding, or not, no, it's not avoiding. She feels so annoyed, or like she feels so disgusting, kind of an expression. That's what it express, the feels. People who see from outside, that's how that video has been projected. It's like I feel really bad. And that one bugger, he literally using that they're renovating the hitch, I think so. What's happening? This is a new public ground, by the way. They're repairing the pitch, the ground pitch, I think. But it looks like marking the layouts. It is looking like. So this is the place. Silently, you guys, have you guys noticed? So that bus, it came just like so silent. It not even heard the sound. Forget about sound, at least you won't even sense the vehicle is coming. ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳಣ್ಣ. ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. ನೈಟ್ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟ್ರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಣ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೋಮವಾರ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡು ಇವತ್ತೇ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಶುರು. ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಹೋದ ವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ದಿವಸ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಯಾ? ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಅದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ನಾಳೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತೇ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಇದ್ದ, ಅವ್ರು ಇರೋದು ಸೋಮವಾರ, ಬುಧವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 3 ದಿನ.
ಓಹೋ, ಹಂಗೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ತೋರಿಸೋಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಲು?
ಎಂತ ಕೆನಡಿ ಎಂತ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಎಂತ, ನನಗೂ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸ್ರೇ ಇದು ಜಾಗ,
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಲೋ ಅತ್ತೆ.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ದಪ್ಪ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಮಾಡ್ದೈತೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿಪ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ?
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗನೇ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ
ಈಗ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡೋದ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಗ
ಬಾತೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನನ್ನೊಬ್ಬಳನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡೋದು
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೋದ ವಾರದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಗುರುವಾರ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಹಂಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೆ ಇರೋದು ಇದು ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ ಹತ್ರ. ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಡೈಲಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 8 ಗಂಟೆ 8:15 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದರೆ ಆಂದಿವೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ 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 ಅತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕತೆ?
ಹ್ಞೂಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ದು
ಹಾಂ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ 2 ರಕ್ತದ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಹಾಂ
ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೇ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಹಾಂ
ನೈಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೊಸೂರ್ ಹತ್ರನಾ?
ಹೊಸೂರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಕೆದ್ವಾನ ಕಣ್ವಾನ? ಕೆದ್ವಾ?
ಕೆದುವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ.
ಹಾಂ 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 ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ
ಭಯಂಕರ ದೂರ ಮಗ್ನೆ.
ಓ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊಸೂರು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? 20-25 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಅತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಂದು ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಿ ಅತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.